Ryan, what's up, man?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, and I've seen you guys around. Just been stuck in the thing.
Yeah. You do the video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, does anyone know where to get a good haircut? When you think of a cafe racer, you usually think of the Euro-style simplistic motorcycle. It was popularized in England where the English kids would strip down their bikes, small displacement motorcycles, and they would literally race their bikes to the cafe. The cafe racers are known for their bent bars, minimalistic body, and overall ergonomic build that eventually made them the perfect bike not only race to the cafes, but to race on the actual track. Today the style is a little less popular just because there's so many other styles of motorcycles you can ride, but there's definitely a big subculture of people who still ride cafe racers among bikers. Since you ride them with an aggressive stance and there is a little bit of athleticism to riding a cafe racer, the demo remains the 18 to 35 sort of young person, because relatively to a touring model or even a cruiser, it's a little more difficult to ride a cafe.
Down the gearbox right behind him. He's he's down in a big puddle. Hit a huge puddle on the outside.
In 2016, Harley reintroduced the Sportster model, the Roadster, and while other Sportsters had resembled a cafe racer style, none that had the simplicity and the obvious look as much as the Roadster did. It's a Sportster, so it is the last Evo motor that Harley makes because they've gone completely Milwaukee 8 with the Softails. A street-eating machine with a tucked-in fast back style and corner-cranking torque. What you pay is what you get back on trade, which is probably ending soon. So most Harley-Davidsons participating, both Bert's Harley-Davidsons are participating in the promo Harley is running, where if you buy a Sportster, brand new Sportster, you can trade it in within a year of your purchase and get what you paid minus tax, tag, and title, and other fees. So here you can see the kind of cafe look. So you can see this seat, how it has a little bit of a brim, flat seat. Let's try to find one more. Even the styling of the lines, it's actually a really comfortable Sportster seat. This year the Roadster is going to come in vivid black, Corona Yellow Pearl, which is an awesome color. Sumatra Brown, which is the color of the one we have in the showroom and I'll be riding today. Then you have the electric blue, which is new this year, and that silver fortune running down the middle. And then finally your industrial gray denim, and then your black denim. 1200cc cooled Evo engine, blacked out styling, like most bikes this year, and then there's slammed handlebars. It is a very crunch stance with the mid controls. Usually on a cafe, you have these controls that are more towards the back of the bike. So you are going to be a bit scrunched if you're 6 feet and above, but that doesn't make it uncomfortable, it's just a different ride. So we have one in the showroom. We're going to go take it out for a test ride and see how it feels.
Did you get that text? It's cool if you ignored me.
No, I really didn't. Oh, you know me.
What are you guys up to tonight? No reply.
Oh, May 6th. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah. Haven't heard that one before.
No, seriously.
Alright, man, cool, yeah. I won't take it far.
Unless I saw it on my watch while I was riding and then I forgot. That's the only thing.
That could happen. We'll believe that.
I would take it. I'd be like, fuck you.
Alright, thanks, man.
At 571 pounds, this is one of Harley's lighter bikes, so you can throw it around a bit easier. And with the front suspension being inverted, makes it a little easier around tight corners. It's a 3.3 gallon tank, so it's right in the middle of the fuel capacity of the Sportster. So the lower end of the Peanut, you get a 2.1 gallon tank. The higher end of the XL Custom, you get around a 4.5 gallon tank. That's more or less the Roadster, one of the last Evo motors that Harley-Davidson's going to put out. We'll see next year if they keep the Evo in the Sportster lineup. We know they took them out of the Softails and Dynas in 2018, so 2019 could be the year for the Sportster. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you next time.